Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Just a short video today as I haven't done a one-handed woodworking tips video in quite a while, and I've currently come across one that might be of some benefit to you guys. Now, I have been working on a set of bespoke chunky oak shelves which come along very nice, and I've been looking at the edges and experimenting with different router bits. And I have a new router set here from the good folk at Trend Tools. Now, the issue I have is my palm router, the spindle doesn't lock. So when it comes to changing a router bit, and you need to do it quite quickly and efficiently really, you need to secure it that way whilst loosening it that way, which is a two-handed job. All right, so two-handed technique. So I've come across and found out probably a quick, easy way to change the router bits, which I thought I'd share with you, because never mind for just one-handed woodworkers, if you're also kind of suffer with things like arthritis and maybe you need to use both hands where normally somebody would use one, a technique like this comes in really handy. Now, all you need are a couple of clamps and the humble screw, all right, which will be shown as to why you need that shortly, and also obviously your wrench or your spanner to loosen up the router bit. Okay, so straight to it, just a dead quick video. Hope you enjoy it. Take care everyone, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.